Door. Now in Thuli. Morton. Kobeni waits in the middle. What is Morton going to do? Lays it on beautifully. That is superbly done by Amazulu. Breaking out from defence. They have taken the lead. Michael Morton weighted that pass absolutely perfectly. Kobeni's run was superb. He started from almost the halfway line. He spotted the possibility. No chance for Sandylands. That is a beautiful pass. And a great finish as well. He didn't waste a touch on it. He hit it first time, and that's the reaction. They love that. That's obviously something they've been working on in training, because you could see the reaction from Alan Clark and from Kevin Johnson. A chance for Pule. Cross the face, a goal! Mahashi. Well, it hasn't taken them long to get back in the game. And Kuda Mahashe with an easy tap in at the back. It was Pule with a delightful ball across the face, a goal.
Normally we say it's tender. Esnanameto, meaning the back heel doesn't have eyes, but this one had clear specs for that matter. Additional clarity in the way that it found Pule.
Shonga, lovely touch. Pule! That hits the stanchion at the back. For a moment there would have been some who felt that hit the upright. Now the break. Let's see what the Buccaneers can do. Lorch to the right. Memela plays the pass in. They're waiting in the middle. Shonga's there. Mahashi straight at Mbata. Corner kick it will be.
Not sure it was. Might have been Mahachi. But I think that's where he looks up, obviously thinks about it. Maybe he thinks, because he looked up, the anticipation from everybody was that he's going to play it across, and he tries to steal it on the knee, but doesn't quite.
Pule now, a little bit of trouble here. Oh, they missed out a chance there. Very clever thinking from Amazulu, and so close. And Thuli unable to get that decisive touch onto it. There was the cross. Then Pule back to his goalkeeper, played in, and Chawa Piwa looking to find Thuli, but Thuli unable to get a touch to it. Sikakani's played this back, so Amazulu will start the slow build-up. A little bit of a rest here for everyone concerned, although the ball given away here now. This could be dangerous. This is Pule. Shonga. Memela waits square. Surely he does it. And it all stemmed really from some errant play from Bongeni Gumede. Gave the ball away. Didn't really chase back either. Lorch, Memela square. Lorch beats one defender. Chance at the back, number 3. Justin Shonga now. And they are carving them up.
The wing play is exceptional. I mean, how many times has the player breaking wide has found himself with time and space to be able to ping that ball across the field of play? And for me, clearly it must have been something that they're working on. Look at the reaction once the ball gets played wide. The number of players in the center of the midfield flies into the box. If one misses, there's another. That's brilliant. But it's Amazulu's inability to string the right kind of passes. All these situations come from where the ball was won by Pirates.
Turnovers.
Yes.
Now here's Lorch. Chance to get it squared. Lorch, a lovely skill into the side netting. I'll tell you what, had that been in the back of net, we were looking at the goal of the season. Marvellous. This Thembinkosi Lorch, he can play.
Oh man alive.
That would have been sensational.
The thing is, what he does very well, Marklington, he breaks to the left, he can break to the right as well. It means all the wide players overlapping. He's always readily available to provide that support to receive a pass.
And all done at such incredible pace. Mulenga with the superior strength gets the ball in here to Shonga. To Lorch, to Shonga again. Nyatama. Lorch Back to Nyatama. They're queuing up and they have scored. Ben Mochwani will claim that. It's a fabulous goal. They will definitely now be second on the table, Orlando Pirates, at the end of tonight's play, joining Mamelodi Sundowns on the same number of points. So Amazulu, in their bid for a top 8 place, receive a real setback here, but Orlando Pirates very much in the title chase after this comprehensive victory tonight.